Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android 6, 0 or newer, updated Google app, and WhatsApp installed. Open Google Assistant settings and enable voice match so the device recognizes you. Once done, go to Settings App Special App Access and enable notification access for WhatsApp. Make sure microphone permission is also granted to both Google and WhatsApp. These steps unlock the core capability. Without notification access, Assistant can't read messages, so complete them before moving on to link service. You now link WhatsApp as the messaging service. In Assistant settings, go to Services, choose Messaging, and select WhatsApp as default. Next, create a routine, tap Add Routine, set a trigger like Read My WhatsApp, then add actions that request notifications or run a custom command to read recent messages. Once created, test with a sample message. Send yourself one, say the trigger, and listen. If Assistant doesn't speak content, make sure notification previews are allowed, so messages show in notifications for reading aloud. You finish by confirming lock screen notifications and message content are visible to Assistant. Go to Notifications, lock screen, and allow show content. Use distinct trigger phrases and, if available, enable auto speak so Assistant reads new messages automatically. If it fails, restart your phone, reassign WhatsApp under Assistant messaging settings, and check Do Not Disturb. Notifications may be silenced. One key troubleshooting tip: if messages still won't read, temporarily enable full notification content visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.